Hi, I'm PB Plumber. Today I'm going to be installing one of the new Bristan sinks. Everything you need to do the job comes inside the box and it's got a pre-installed Easyfit tap base. The sink comes with a 25-year guarantee and there's a 5-year guarantee on the tap and the Easyfit base. You can do all the maintenance once you've turned the water off from above the sink. You can even tighten the tap base from above. And also, if your customer changes their mind and wants a new tap, there's a huge range of sink styles and tap styles to choose from. And the good thing about the Easyfit base is it's a relatively simple job to swap the taps over in the future.